Good morning. This is Patricia, and I am here at the bridge just down by the park. And it's another bridge, a different bridge that I've been to before. I just seen something come up out of the water there a minute ago, but I'm not sure what it was. Might have been a beaver. Anyway, there's lots of black flies out here this morning. But I thought maybe you'd just like to hear the sounds. You'll hear cars, I'm sure, going by because I'm right next to a bridge. And this used to be an old bridge at one point. Can you see that over there? Oops. I think I've got you up in the trees. There we go. And then there is the other part over here that goes out. This was the old bridge. I took my car out this morning to get it torqued because she did work to it yesterday. But I'll remain quiet. This is my peaceful spot. Maybe you'll get some peace from this as well. The joy of the Lord is our strength. We can have the peace that passes all understanding if we acknowledge all His ways. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul, rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. May it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. God bless you, everybody. Have a great day.